Alright, hey guys, welcome to Windy Studio and welcome to another brand new Photoshop tutorial. And today we'll be creating a very simple sports poster design and also testing my brand new LUT. And this LUT is available on my Patreon, so if you want to get it, please check on the description list below. And also, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel. And on that note, let's dive into the video. So here we are in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's create an artboard. And for that, go to File, click on New, and I'll just go with 10/10 resolution to 300, color mode to RGB, bitrate to 16, and let's keep the rest as default. And let's click on Create. And then right after that, let's drag and drop this image right over here. Yes, and let's make it a little bigger. Control T. Yep, let's keep it something like that. And let's go over here and click on the layer max, and let's reveal those parts from the bottom. So I'll just go with a general soft brush, and let's make this brush a little smaller and make sure the color is white, and let's get those parts back just like so. Control T, let's make it a little bigger. Yep, let's keep it somewhere over here. And then right after that, let's drag and drop another image, so this one, and let's keep it right over here, and let's keep it under this layer. Control T, let's make it bigger. Yep, let's make it maybe something like that. Let's add a solid, and let's go for a kind of darker color. And then let's create a new layer. Go to brush, and let's go for my favorite particle explosion brush, and I'll just use this one with a white color. Now let's drag and drop another image. So let's drag and drop this image right over here. Yes. Control T, let's make it bigger, and let's keep it all the way to the bottom. Now let's go over here, go to the blending option, and from here let's clip that part. Yep, let's keep it like that, and let's create a layer max. Go to the brush, and with the same brush, let's make sure the color is black, and let's erase some of these hard edges. Yep, just like so. And then now let's go over here and let's add a color lookup. So go over here, click on color lookup, and from here click on load, and I will just go with Windy Teal LUT. So select this one and click on load. So here, this is what we got, and let's add a curve. Yep, let's keep it maybe something like that. And now let's add a rectangle, and let's change the color to kind of darker red. Yep, something like that. And let's keep it under this layer, and let's change the blending mode to multiply. Control T, let's make it a little bigger. Yep, just like so. And let's keep it under this layer. Yep, let's do some color adjustments. So select this layer, go to filter, let's go to camera raw filter, and let's increase the clarity, increase the texture, drop down increase the shadows, drop down the highlights, and for the vibrancies, let's drop it down, maybe something like that. And let's keep the rest as default, and let's click on OK. Let's go to filter, let's go to camera raw filter, and let's go and let's click on apply previous setting. And I guess this is a little too dark, so maybe let's increase the exposure, and let's click on OK. Yep, and let's add a new layer in between and go to brush, and again using the kind of same particle brush, let's add some particles right over here. Yep, just like that, and let's add a text. Just like that, and then let's add one more over there on very top. So go over here and let's change it to screen, Control T, and let's drop down the opacity just a little touch. And yep, that's the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial. And again, don't forget to check this lot on my Patreon, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.